y'all. It's Aisha, the founder of HoneyBeNatural. I just want to come on here and say over the past maybe 5 years, HoneyBeNatural has gone through a lot of changes. We started out as a natural hair magazine. Thank you guys for your support in that. And then I began to transition into a wellness platform. And then I hit like a big mountain, a hard stump where I didn't know what to do. I put everything kind of on ice until I figured it out. And what I landed on was changing my career. So I went from being a teacher of 12 years to becoming a therapist. That was a 2-year program. I graduated, I passed my exam, and so now I'm getting my clinical hours to be fully licensed in the state of Texas. But I didn't stop there. I also learned how to formulate skincare and feminine care products using herbs and essential oils, and so I've had that business for 3 years. And then I didn't stop there. Then I went to the American College of Healthcare Sciences, and I took an aromatherapy certificate that was 2 semesters. It was pretty rigorous, but then I didn't stop there. And I thought I was going to stop there, but I had to reconcile with myself that ultimately what I wanted to do was to be a holistic doctor. After I started my skincare business, I went to esthetician school. I forgot to include that, so I became a licensed esthetician. And essentially what I was trying to do is help people heal their mind, body, and skin. Mind through therapy, body through herbalism, and skin through my esthetician services and my skincare products. What I learned, though, was that I wanted to help people a little deeper to get to the root causes of their issues. And I felt like being a holistic doctor was going to get me there. But I didn't want to go back to school. I made promises to myself, to my friends, I am not going back to school. And then I was able to land on a school that honored all of my degrees. I have a bachelor's, 2 masters, aromatherapy certificate, my esthetician license. I'm forgetting something. I've just been to a lot of goddamn school, okay? And so they honored all of the school that I've gone to, and they're going to let me take a postdoctorate program in functional medicine. So this is the last road, y'all. I am in school to be a functional medicine doctor. Does that have a nice ring to it? Dr. Aisha, Dr. Gaines. I don't know. I'll come up with somebody suggested Dr. Honeybee, which is really cute, but that's coming down the pipeline. So what I'm doing right now is using integrative medicine and functional medicine to help people get to the root cause of their issues. And so I currently offer a Zyto wellness scan. So the Zyto wellness scan, you can scan from anywhere as long as you have a mobile device, and it's through an app. It uses blood flow analysis and predetermined biomarkers to tell you what's out of range with your primary organs, your lifestyle, your emotions, and then it's going to recommend different therapies for you to try, as well as different vitamins and supplements for you to use to bring those biomarkers into range. I also can use a blood analysis, which means I can order blood panels for you, like as many as needed, to figure out the root cause of what your issues are. So for example, let's say if you have acne down here, a lot of times that has to do with diet, gut health, yeast overgrowth. Well, I can do blood tests to see if I'm accurate, to see what those levels are, and then we can create a wellness protocol. Or I can just create a wellness protocol for you. So, what is functional medicine? Our end goal is to get down to the bottom of the problem so that the symptoms go away, as opposed to just treating the symptoms. So, what is functional medicine? I'm going to read this. So functional medicine uses a holistic approach to treat chronic disease and ailments by getting to the root cause. Functional medicine involves blood analysis as the foundation to help build your own wellness protocol, focused on your diet, nutrition, stress levels, environment, therapies, and vitamins. Yeah, I'm so excited. So functional medicine encompasses everything that I do. It encompasses the products that I sell at the apothecary. It encompasses the teas that I make and the wellness goods, herbal goods that I make. It encompasses environment changes. I forgot to include exercise, which is a huge part of it. It encompasses my skincare protocols. And so it just combines everything that I care about. Everything that I've been building, it combines all of those things. It also combines therapy, because a lot of times many times, some of the symptoms that show up in your body are due to issues with your cognition or your perception or anxiety or depression. And so functional medicine and integrative medicine encompasses all of those things. So therapy. What is therapy if you don't know? Therapy is the process of meeting with a therapist, me, to resolve problematic behaviors, beliefs, feelings, and or relationship issues and or sensations in your body, like mood fluctuations or somatic complaints. Let's say you have a back problem you've been having for a long time. Sometimes that can be tied to stress, anxiety, depression. You just never know. The goal of therapy is to help support you in becoming the best version of yourself. So why put these two together? Well, many of the symptoms of disease can cause anxiety, depression, and irritability. Paired together, we are helping the whole person, your mind, your body, and your skin. Many Western medicine practitioners, not all, many, only treat symptoms, which can lead you to feeling unheard and not helped at the level that you may need. Although functional medicine can be an investment on the testing side, your concerns about what is happening internally can be minimized, and that's what we want. We don't want you to be worried about, well, they said everything is okay, but I don't feel okay, or they said everything is all right, but I don't feel all right. So that's what I'm working on, friends. I'm studying at the Kingdom College of Natural Health, and my program is called Functional Medicine Doctor or Doctor of Functional Medicine. I also took a blood analysis course through the American College of Health Care Sciences. I just got braces, y'all. It's a lot. Lots of changes happening here. I took that class to help me learn how to read labs, interpret labs, and put together panels for you. So currently, right now, I offer the Zyto Wellness Scan plus my 4 primary panels. And so my first one is anxiety testing. And so we would use blood analysis to test for anxiety. And then you can pair that with therapy. My second panel is nutritional testing to see if you have nutritional deficiencies. My third panel is acne testing. If you have a lot of acne, we're going to test those hormone levels. We're going to test for a lot of different things to make sure you don't have any underlying issues like PCOS or, yeast overgrowth or something of that nature. And the last one is going to be hormones for my ladies. So my specialty at the Kingdom College of Natural Health is going to be women's health. Although men are invited because you're affected also. I really have a heart for women's issues as somebody who's had chronic yeast infections, chronic acne, cognition issues. I really have a heart to help women be the best version of themselves, and kids too, because y'all know I love the kids. If you don't know, I love the kids. And so that's my announcement. My content now on YouTube is going to be geared towards my functional medicine practice, and I may use different names like holistic practitioner, functional medicine practitioner, all the things, but ultimately functional medicine doctor is what I'm working towards. So I'm bringing y'all along on this journey. It's going to be a journey, but we're going to get through it. If you have any questions, send me an email, HoneyBeNatural@gmail.com. And if you want to work together also, hit me up and let's see what we can do together. All right. Peace, y'all.